Hi everyone, it's Hollay here. I am one of your surviving eating disorder writers on HealthyPlace. So today I want to talk about healthy baking during the holiday season. So it's actually a little bit of a pet peeve of mine that I keep seeing these blogs and articles and social media posts go up talking about ways to make traditional holiday treats healthier. The reason I find this so infuriating is because during the holidays, and really any time, it villainizes food. So there's really nothing wrong with enjoying the food you love, even if they're not incredibly healthy, in moderation. And as someone recovering from an eating disorder, I find that it makes me feel like, oh, I shouldn't just eat the gingerbread cookie. I should make this vegan gingerbread cookie instead. And that somehow I'm a failure if I don't just opt for the healthier option, even if my heart and soul are in just the, made with lard, straight from grandma's oven, gingerbread cookie. So my message to all of you, and my little rant here, is that just eat the cookie. Enjoy the food you love during the holidays and don't feel bad about them. Of course, in life we should be eating healthy food and we should be exercising. We should do all of those good things that, nurture our brains and bodies. But sometimes nurturing your brain and body just means eating the foods that bring you joy without feeling crippling guilt about them. So happy holidays, and I will be talking to you again next time.